How to unblock users on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to unblock users on Instagram. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you've blocked somebody on Instagram and you want to unblock them, first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once here, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings. Next tap on privacy. Then scroll down until you get to the option at the bottom that says blocked accounts. Tap on that option. Now all you need to do is tap on the unblock button on the right hand side of that profile and then tap unblock again. And that's what it takes to unblock a user on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.